What's up, YouTube? It's your boy pak-mann, and I'm back today with more content. Like I told you guys, I'm here every day with new pack openings. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be here every day this week, give you guys new content, new stuff every day, different boxes, different packs every day. I usually have them 2019-2020 Donruss Kobe feature box, but I went to like 3 stores and I couldn't find any. So the last store I found a 2019-2020 NBA Hoops blaster box, and I also found 2 hanger packs, so I picked them up. Then, as you can see, I found 2 status 2018-19 hanger packs, so hopefully we can find something good out of there. I got 2 2018-19 threads panini hanger boxes, and I also got 2 threads blaster boxes. And I do have 1 little hanger pack. That's all they have. I don't know why it was just 1 pack, but I grabbed it. Hopefully I get something out of it. But hopefully we can still find some Kobe pulls, and hopefully we find some good stuff. Yesterday, my last video, man, I was kind of disappointed. I ain't get no good pulls, man. Nothing worthwhile. So we're gonna get right into these boxes. I'm gonna start with the hoops, and then we're gonna go to the throwbacks, man. So we open these first 2 hoops hanger packs. Hopefully we get something good. Like I said, it's your boy pak-mann. Anything you want to see different, anything you want me to do different, any comments, anything any suggestions, just let me know. So let's get right into these packs. I'll move these out the way. We're gonna start with the NBA Hoops Zion 2019 hanger pack. So let's see what we get. Right into it. 30 card pack. Look for exclusive teal explosions and orange explosion player logos. Let's see if we can get something. Let's start with a couple of the bases. NBA Hoops. This is their base. Memorabilia. Add a bio, and this is the back. So we're gonna go through the first pack of bases, then we're gonna rip through them. Base. Matthew Dellavedova, base. Avery Barrett, base. Malik Beasley. Jalen Brown. Kevin Looney. Bismack Biyombo. De'Aaron Fox. Gordon. This is what that parallel is we got. So the bases right here. We're gonna put our highlights right in the middle. So we got a Nerlens Noel, and this is a purple reflector. This is their reflected card. It's purple, and then you can see a little purple on the name and at the bottom. And we got a Joel Embiid lights camera action card, and then we got a De'Aaron Fox get out the way card. Also, I have a RJ Barrett NBA Hoops Class of 2019 card. Cool. Let's see. Damian Lillard tribute rookie card. These are Iman Shumpert base. Nick Claxton rookie card. DeAndre Hunter rookie card. Dame Lillard tribute. And a DeAndre Hunter tribute rookie card. So put these out the way, and then we gonna put the bases, the highlights right there. So right to the next pack. Go through these. Uh-oh. Y'all see that backwards card? Ah! On game. Let's see what we got here. I'm going right to it. I ain't even hesitating, y'all, because I need a pick. Or maybe it's just a regular card. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? No. Jason Tatum. Yes. Aqua blaster cards, reflector cards they got. Good card. Exclusive. Okay. Lights camera action, Kyle Lowry. Arriving now, Romeo Langford. And we got a frequent Flyers, Miles Bridges. Reflector. We got a Dwayne Dedman. Jared Culver rookie card. Kobe. Marcos Lazanda Silva. On God. Kobe. I love pulling Kobe, man. Kobe tribute card. This is all I've been looking for. I gotta get the hanger packs to get Kobe. Oh, God. Rest in peace to the Black Mamba, man. I love that, man. That's going right there, because I'm keeping that. Rookie card, Cal Guy, PJ Washington Jr. rookie card. Bro. So, I say that little hanger pack was a hit. Just because I pulled the Kobe card. Just because I pulled the Kobe card. Not even because I got that Jason Tatum. Keeping Kobe right there. Kobe stand right there the whole time. I should put him smack dab in the middle. Nice. Oh, we're gonna get right into this next hoops box. I haven't opened many hoops, so hopefully I can get an autograph. Cause I think the last hoops box I opened, I just got memorabilia. I'll take these packs out. Get them out of packs. Empty box. Put boxes. Put them right here behind Kobe. We keeping Kobe right there. Alright. So 8 cards per pack, 1 guaranteed hit, memorabilia, or autograph. We're gonna get right into these packs. Hopefully we get another Kobe hit. I guess we got another Kobe hit, right? But not that Kobe, y'all. Y'all already know. Got a Kobe White rookie card tribute. I'll take it. John Morant rookie card. Darius Baisley rookie card. Jason Tatum base. DeMarcus Cousins base. John Henson blue hollow. Lopez base. Ernest Cancer base. Next pack. So we got here Nazir Little rookie card. We got a Ruhu Chimara tribute rookie card. We got a Nicholas Batum base. Bojan Bogdanovic base. Tristan Thompson base. Then we got a Jason Tatum lights camera action hollow. Nice looking card. Put that right there. Base and base. Even this out. Even that out. And going right into the next pack. Alright. Quingery Witherspoon rookie card. Cameron Johnson rookie card. Terrence Mann rookie card. George Hill base. D'Angelo Russell base. Vice camera action. Kyrie. Markieff Morris base. Thomas Bryant base. Next pack. We got a Quinn Cook base. Nickeil Alexander-Walker rookie card. Wesley Matthews base. Kevin Love base. AD base. Our Marcus Lozada Silva blue, purple reflector. Drew Holiday base. Lonnie Walker the 4th or 5th base. Yeah, that's a man card. I'm gonna put that right there because I think that's my fat back. And we're gonna see if I was right or not. Put an L in the chat if you think I was right. So we're gonna see if that was the fat pack. I can't say his name. Rookie card. AI tribute. I'll take it. One of my favorites, AI. Alan Crabb. Andre Iguodala. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. Arriving now. PJ Washington Jr. We got Tobias Harris. He's been going crazy this year. And a Paul Gasol, which I think he's on Portland now, right? Yeah, it says it at the bottom, actually. Get some bases out of here, because some bases be taking up a lot of space. Next pack. Gang. Man, drop an L in the chat if y'all think that's a fat pack memorabilia card. I'm saying it's a fat pack. Drop an L in the chat if you think I'm right. Drop an N if you think I'm wrong. Oh, God. Rajon. Rookie card, Eric Pascal. Thaddeus Young, base. John Henson, base. That's Giannis. Freaking Flyers. I got a couple of them. Base and base. Next pack. After these packs, we're gonna go into the aquas and then the Threads base pack. So yeah, hopefully we get some out these. Rookie card, Cam Reddish. Rookie card, Bruno Fernando. Stephen Curry base. Honest, can't say it base. Aaron Holiday. Donovan Mitchell. Lights Camera Action card. Base and base. Next pack. I dropped my Donovan Mitchell card. I'm gonna get it. Hold on, guys. Yes! Oh, gang, I'm sorry. As soon as I pick up my card, my first card off the next pack is something that I haven't got yet. A tribute from Zion. A Zion tribute rookie card. Oh, God. That's a good pull. I'll take it. Base, blue, prism, Jordan Bone, reflector, base and base. Next pack, we got 2 packs left. Yeah, that's definitely my fat pack. A Mem card, and then another base card. So we got a Grant Williams rookie card, AD tribute, Jamal Murray, base, Kent Bazemore, base, my green base, Hamanadu Diallo. No, that's a purple reflector. That's right there. They say them. They look justed. They gave me his regular one and his highlight. Kind of threw me off from the set. I think I just seen 3 of the same people in one pack. They look the same. Oh God. Next pack, y'all. Let's see. Jalen Hands rookie card. Keldon Johnson rookie card. We got a Jarrell Brantley rookie card. Miles Bridges base. Miles Turner base. We got to get out the way. Aaron Gordon. All right. Insert. Base and base. To our fat pack, y'all. Give us a number. A number of Alo or something. Man. I just know it's going to be a regular jersey card. Oh, Kyrie tribute. Kyrie Irving tribute card. Right there. We got a rookie card, Josh Reeves. We got a Jalen Noel rookie card, Nikola Jokic. Rookie Remembrance, Afrik Abelimindu. Rookie Remembrance. That's from his rookie year. It's pretty cool. Jersey piece. Player worn material. Well, he wore it. I'll take it. And that's the highlight out of that one. Nah, I ain't putting that next to Kobe on God. Aaron Gordon, blue reflector, base. So let's get into these threads and status packs. Get all these out the way. Put them to the side. We're gonna keeping Kobe up there. That's Kobe. Oh God. So let's open the first threads pack, and then we're gonna do the 2 status packs, hanger packs. Threads, Vince Carter, Jonathan Isaac. These some nice looking cards. Zach LaVine. Ooh. Victor Oladipo. Nice. There's some nice looking cards. It's my first time opening threads packs, so I actually like it. Jalen Brunson rookie card. We got a Floor Generals threads, Dame Dollar. Then we also got his Floor General highlight card, man. These are nice looking cards. Yeah. I like the way they look. I'm sorry I'm taking so long. It's my first time opening them packs. And these are my first time checking out how they look. So the boxes, I'm going to just fly through the bases and put all the highlights right in the front. So we're going to do this status pack right now. And we're going to keep these highlights with us. And this is my first time going through these too. So, it's nice. Gary Harris. Denver Nuggets. That's nice. LeBron. Clint Capella. You got a Dennis Schroeder. Jamie Lamb. Cat. Tim Hardaway Jr., Kyle Lowry. Then we got a D Wade Elite Series. I'm gonna put them bases right there. Well, the rest of these look like highlight cards. Huh. Dwayne Wade's Elite Series. Nice. Marvin Bagley Jr. rookie card. KD. Reflector. Time with Golden State. I don't know if y'all Golden State fans will want that anymore. Then we got a Landry Shamet rookie card. A Josh Okiki rookie card. And a Jalen Brunson rookie card. Yeah, I like the way them cards look too, man. Hopefully we could get a signature or exclusive pull out of this, man. So, a Marcus Aldridge, Jeremy Lin. Go through these bases and go right to these highlights. We got a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar top status card. Nice. Rookie card. Kevin Knox. Ooh, Javon Carter rookie credentials. Javon Carter rookie credentials. It's a nice looking card too. Anthony Milton rookie card. Grayson Allen rookie card. And then Aaron Holiday rookie card. So that's what we got out of the status and the first threads box. We're gonna clear up some room and get right into these hanger boxes. Oh God. So let's see what we got. Nice wrapping. And who do we collect? Comment below, who do you collect? I wanna know. Who's you guys' favorite players to collect? Okay. Let's see, base. We got a Nikolai Vucevic, Brandon Ingram, rookie card, Kevin Huerter, Marvin Bagley rookie card, threads. Then we got a Next Wave, Grayson Allen. We got a Julius Erving Century Collection card. We got a Bringing Down the House, Rudy Gobert. You know he go crazy. Then we got a Wendell Carter Jr., the Next Wave highlight. And I think that's the highlights. Okay, so I don't think I got nothing special. I'll have to look up them cards and see what's what, but I don't think it was nothing special out of that. I'm still looking for my next auto. Next hanger box of it. Base. Donovan Mitchell. We got a Yusuf Nurkic rookie card. Wendell Carter Jr. Michael Porter Jr. rookie card. We got a Centuries Collection, John Stockton. Kevin Durant jersey card. We got a Threedom Dang. Then we got a Kyrie Irving. Okay. I think the rest is our base. Let me keep our highlights right there and get all these bases out of here. And we're going to get right into our last two blaster boxes. I'm going to rip right through them. Hopefully we can get through these pretty quickly. Show you guys all the highlights and get in. So, let's see what these packs look like. Probably just like the other one. Who do you collect? I don't know what I'm going to get out of these. But let's read the books. Five cards per pack, 7 packs. Find 3 blaster exclusive rookie icons on average per box. Look for rookie signatures and gold parallels, numbered to 25. So let's get a rookie signature or gold parallel. P. Alonzo. Brook Lopez. We got a Shai Gilgeous-Alexander rookie card. Then we got a Ben Simmons reflector. Next pack. AD, Mike Conley, Robert Covington, Donovan Mitchell insert, our time. Pack. Long highlight, number cards. Got a Mitchell Robinson, and then AD in motion. Insert. Next pack. Threads. We got a Kyle Kuzma and a Ben, a big Ben. Oh my God, next pack. We got a Landry Shamet and a Jaylen Brown, all time. Next pack. We got a Robert Covington, Kyle Kuzma, Shoot to Thrill, Kawhi, and then an our time Giannis. Pretty sure that might be a good card. Look them all up. Last pack. Hopefully I get something. They don't look too promising. DeAndre Ayton, rookie card. Lonzo Ball in motion. All right. And now we down to our last box game. You guys think we gonna get some of this box? Or is it gonna be another miss? Because if it's a miss, man, y'all might see me back tonight with more. Oh God, I can't keep going without no real big hits, man. So, we're gonna get right into this first pack. We got a Brandon Ingram, Chris Middleton, Klay Thompson, Shoot the Thrills. Then we got an in motion, Jimmy Butler, 76ers card. That's a nice looking card. Put that right there. And then we gonna fix our highlights. We got a good stack of highlights, man. But nothing to call home about. Next pack. Like Mikal Bridges, Giannis our time, PG. Okay, we got some. We got a Fruitgren Gomez. Maybe it's just backwards for auto. Yes, Philadelphia 76ers. Fruitgren Korkmaz. Auto. Let's look them up. Let's check them out. Nice. Yeah, like I said, I was looking for the autos, man. And I couldn't get them. And we just got it. So put that over there with Kobe. The auto with Kobe right there. Let's see what else we got. Got a Threads, Joakim Noah. That pack did feel a little thicker too. And motion, Donovan Mitchell. And then a Threads, DeAndre Jordan. Next pack. That was probably our highlight. Seriously, I'll take it though. We got a Colin Sexton rookie card. I think that's all we got out of that. And then an Atomics Kawhi. Next pack. Give me that number card. Let's see what we got here. Robert Covington. LeBron James jersey. Thread series. Take it. One of my favorite players, and I like the way that card looks. Next pack. One more pack after this. Right to it. We got a Michael Porter Jr. Then we got a Shoot to Thrill Kyle Korver. And we all know this man can shoot. Hot sauce on God. Utah Jazz. Hot sauce. Last pack. Game. Let's get some. Let's get some. Aaron Gordon, our time, and Shoot the Thrill, Kawhi. So, do all this. And this, let's see if we put all our highlights together and do a quick run through. And we can see everything we got. And of course, we're going to put these two at the bottom. So, highlights. Jersey card remembrance. A lot of rookie cards. These are all the highlights, man. Well, some pretty good cards, man, nonetheless. Zion Williamson. Rookie tribute card. AI. Jason Tatum reflector. Lights camera action. Kobe White tribute. Jersey, LeBron jersey. All our highlight cards right here. Whole bunch of highlights. Oh my God. Got a whole bunch of highlights. Portage. Anything you want, I do sell everything. If you was looking for this card, couldn't find it, and you just seen me pull it, hit me up. And then we're going to finish off with the Fukran Korkames 76ers auto. And then the man himself, Kobe Bryant. This made it worth it. Rest in peace, man. That's all I've been looking for is this Kobe stuff, man. Now I'm finding it. Oh God. Thank you for watching my video, man. Like I said, please comment, sub, share. Let me know what I should do next time. Your boy Pat-Man Blade, I'm out.